Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Call Me Tony's Life. That's not the actual name, that's just the name I literally just gave it right now. So, we are in the city of... Why is it not going? Oh, man. We're in the city of Santa Ana, or at least I think that's where I'm at. I know it's Santa Ana. I just don't know if Santa Ana is... You know, whatever, screw it. I'm in Santa Ana and we're gonna be driving around this area. So this is a pretty cool route. You know, this route, you go through, you know, all the places over here in Santa Ana. And it's kind of weird that I have a camera on my head, you know. I don't think people are too comfortable being recorded. So, you know, I only record myself as I'm driving, which I think is pretty much the niche of my channel, is just me just recording my life. Oh yeah, and I'm drinking some Starbucks iced energy. I think these are okay. There's far better energy drinks, but the reason why I've been drinking these is because they donated a pack of 48 to me, so you know, it's better than throwing them away. So I've been drinking these because they're free. I don't buy these, they're free. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to get to that lane right there. Is this car gonna go? I think I'm just gonna go here. Please don't turn yellow, please don't turn yellow. Oh my gosh, I just missed it. Oh well. Well, I guess I could just sit here and talk to you guys, right? Glug, 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 glug is okay. Tropical peach. One flavor that I've been really wanting to try is the 7-Up flavor that Ghost came out with. I want to see if it really tastes like 7-Up, because hey, if it tastes like 7-Up and you're getting an energy drink, that is amazing. I think I haven't even tasted it, but I could already tell that's gonna be like a top performing flavor for them. Well, my videos are not doing well, so I just went in it very unprepared, in a very naive way. I thought I was gonna get like thousands of subscribers every single day, but that's just not the case. So stay at your 9-to-5 job, find ways to make money while you're working on your YouTube channel. That's the smart way to do it. You know, unless you're a very charismatic person and your first video gets like 10 million views, then okay, yeah, quit your job, or good thing you got 10 million views. But for the majority of us that, you know, we're trying to build a successful YouTube channel with no experience, it's kind of hard. But we're here, we're just enjoying the journey. How much is gas here? I can't even see. The gas prices are off. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Today I woke up super sore. That's because yesterday we did a lot of heavy lifting in my job, like at the warehouse, and I woke up super sore. I'm talking like head to toe. I just can't move. Oh my gosh, I need a good ice bath. I haven't really tried an ice bath. I should, huh? Remember when that, what was it, ASL ice bucket challenge, something like that was a thing? All you can eat pancakes. Ask for details. I remember one time I went to an all-you-can-eat at IHOP. What is that guy doing? He's not okay. Yeah, he's probably on drugs. And that's kind of what sucks over here in Santa Ana. There's a lot of people on drugs, and that's just me being real. There's a lot of people on drugs. At first, I was so naive. I thought Santa Ana, well, you know, you never know. Maybe there's some parts that are really nice, right? But when I first came over here to Santa Ana, like just driving around here, I thought it was gonna be like this very, very bougie, fancy place. But no, like I saw a lot of drug addicts. I saw a lot of poverty, a lot of homeless people in the streets. And I was kind of like appalled, you know, because I was like, dang, is that really what it's like over here? So, you know, it kind of sucks seeing that, because obviously, you know, it just sucks to see people waste their life like that. But well, yeah, that's all I can say. It just sucks to see people like that. It really makes me think. It's like they were once babies, they were once children, going to school, having a family, you know, and now to see them in the situation that they're in, it's kind of heartbreaking. Okay, let's see, gotta make sure we don't crash here, because nobody wants to crash on a Friday, am I right? Okay, usually over here there's a lot more traffic, so, but we'll see. We'll see if there's a lot more traffic, or we'll see if my assumption that it's Friday, that there'll be no traffic, let's see if that's true. Okay, I still have my protein shake, which is good. Salted caramel protein shake with a little bit of creamer to give it a little bit more flavor, and some powdered peanut butter is in here too to give it some more peanut buttery flavor, peanut butter chocolate flavor. It's not bad. Obviously could be a lot better, but since I'm on a diet, instead of making my shake with milk, I made it with water. I know. There's a lot of people that are probably like, ugh, water. Back in the day when I was first starting to lose weight and I started like getting into protein shakes and protein powder, I would just make them with pure water. And then I found out that a lot of people really dislike that. But for me, it was like, hey, water has 0 calories. Might as well just save the calories instead of adding milk, which has a lot more calories. So I'm kind of used to it. I'm used to making my protein shakes with water. That's why I add a little bit of creamer to give it that more creaminess, more flavor. Now that I recall, there's a lot more drug addicts over here. Yeah, there's a lot more. Santa Ana Zoo? What? I didn't know there was a zoo over here. It's probably a small zoo, because the only big zoos, look, like, oh my gosh, traffic. Yeah, the only big zoos that I know are the LA Zoo and the San Diego Zoo. Are there other zoos out there? Yes, I'm sure. But I didn't know there was a Santa Ana Zoo. getting all these yellow lights? Charlie's Best. Alright, and the drive continues. We just finished at our second location. Let's get on out of here. Go through here. Go through this little truck fueling station that they have here. And go back out this way. And of course, oh actually no, I thought there was gonna be a lot of traffic, but there's not. Alright, so we're gonna be going to our third location. And on this one, we're gonna pass Disneyland, so I think that should be fun. But before we go, let me actually prep my flavored water. I have some lemonade flavor here. And it has a little bit of sodium inside of this. So it's good since I'm sweating a lot. No! I mean, we will make the left turn, but it's just a matter of waiting for our opening. So this truck right here is, oh no, there's more cars. Dang. Well, honestly, let me just go. YOLO. Yeah, that was, oh, traffic is coming over there. All right, we made it. We did it. Oh, there's road work up ahead, man. It's gonna be traffic. So I need to start going on my right lane because this left lane is blocked. Okay, blinkers on, so they should know I'm switching. I think one lane is just open. Wow, really? Come on, man. Oh. Oh well, I mean, cars have to let me merge. Two left lanes closed. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, so we're about to approach Disneyland. And for all of my Disneyland enthusiasts, hey, what's up? I haven't came here in a while. Last time I came here, I think was 2 years ago. My wife and I, we would always come to Disneyland like every time our anniversary day would land. And we would come here to celebrate. But last year we did not end up coming because I think we had our wedding. Yeah, we had our wedding on November. So we just didn't come. And then this year, you know, honestly, we could come this year, you know, but obviously now we have babies, so it'll be a little different because we have our son now. And it'll be a little hard because then that means we won't be able to get on a ride since it's just 3 of us, unless we bring someone else. But yeah, Disneyland, pretty cool place. A little overpriced, but hey, like, it is what it is. And we'll see right now if there's a lot of people, because every time I pass by here, there's always like a group of a swarm of people crossing that sidewalk to go to Disneyland. And it's cool because you see a lot of different types of people here. You see people that are running, that are jogging. You see people in suits that are probably here for like a business meeting or something here, or I don't know. And then you have a lot of your you know, tourists. A lot of people coming to Disneyland. A lot of school field trips, I assume. But yeah, it is a Friday, so we'll see if people actually came. I know people usually sometimes don't come on weekdays because, you know, obviously kids have school, parents have work, so they usually come on the weekends. But hey, sometimes there's families that decide to take a break from work, let their kids take a day off from school just to come to Disneyland. Ain't that crazy? I remember my mom would not let us skip a day of school. Like, no, you're getting your butt up and you're going to school. Like, okay, Mom. All right, we are here. We are here. We are here. I mean, you see a couple of people. There's a group right there, a group right across, a group of people already walking over there, some people over here. And honestly, it's not a bad looking day. I mean, it is gloomy, but I mean, I think that's cool because I mean, you could come in a sweater, in a beanie. Who wants to walk around all day in the hot sun? Not I. Alright guys, that's actually going to be all for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Click all the other videos that YouTube is going to recommend. And I'll see you guys on the next one.